All right. Today we're breaking down Webstudio with no hat. All right. Open visual development for the open web. Open visual development. I don't know what open visual development means for the open web. I feel like it's open source, but this is like a very weird way of saying it. But I like it. In terms of clarity, I think we're there. You know, open source webflow is what I'm getting. The vibe. A happy place to design and build for the web. All right. I'm not a big fan of adjectives because so far there's no compelling reason other than it's open source. Like that's the only fact I have. Like if I'm choosing between whatever Wix, Webflow, Squarespace, and Web Studio, the only reason they've given me is it's open source. All CSS properties also incomprehensible. I don't know what this means. Dynamic at the speed of static. Also, cute copy means nothing. Copy from Webflow, paste into Webstudio, and let the magic happen. How do you copy from Webflow? Structure names. That might just be too early for me to understand this. I'm biased as I'm one of, yeah, then why retweet it? They're already like planting these ideas as this is not a trustworthy review, then why repost it? Copy from Webflow, paste into WebStudio. Okay. Isn't that the same thing? It's pinned and reposted and the whole thing. We just made self hosting static sites for free. Super easy. I feel like there needs to be a new direction here. Just talk about features. This is the new feature. I guess this is a feature of the one click, but talk about it technically. This is what you can do. Boom, boom, boom. You know, because you're like talking kind of this bubbly language and then host anywhere, Vercel, Netlify. Like people who can do this, you know, can be talking to like professionals. They don't need to be talking to like, they can't deduce if something's easy if you explain it. They're stupid. They need you to tell them it's super easy. It's ridiculous. Open. There's a video. A happy place to design and build for the web. Yeah, not a big fan. Use the full power of CSS with an advanced visual builder. Connect your front end to any backend and avoid hosting lock-in. Okay. Sorry for that. Okay, so it's free Webflow is basically what we're doing here. Just say that. Is there a price? Let's just keep going. This is the product. I like this. Yeah, you need your name here too, because it's so similar to Webflow that you need the full name, not just the logo. So when people are scrolling, they're like, What is this product called again?" You can read it here. Okay, front. Yeah, this is good. I like this. Okay, so you have a builder. Use any headless CMS. That's cool. All the bells and whistles. 10 out of 10. What is this link to? Feature space. Accessibility. 10 out of 10. Yeah, talk about the. Here we go. Like all of this is stupid, but like this is legit. This is super legit. I would change the entire messaging of this whole brand to this stuff. Look how it's hidden. You gotta be kidding me. This is your website. Who cares about it? I'm pretty sure this is just whatever sales team put together. Content for any web experience. Full power of CSS and a visual tool to control every property, unit, and breakpoint. Optimized for search engines. That's perfect. Lighthouse codes are highly attainable. Iterate quickly without writing code. That's cool. Dynamic. Build dynamic user experience with filters and searches. Fetch exactly what you need from organizational data with custom creators. Dynamic at the speed of static. Power of the cloud for your remix and edge coaching. Very cool. Structured kind of the best CMS is the one you already use. All right. Connect to your existing CMS or the one that works best for you. Hell yeah. I love Stripe. Yeah, I'm gonna do that probably tomorrow. E-commerce, composable tech stack, uniting Shopify's robust e-commerce backend with Webstudio's advanced visual builder for the front, while optimizing your front end with ludicrously fast experiences. Yeah, just say what that means. Advanced website builder built like a visual CSS image. Create consistently with reusable styles and access to every CSS property. Okay. Style without naming. Okay. Tokens, reusable styles without classes. All CSS property. That's cool. Visual flex. Yeah. Like flex star, flex star. That's cool. Integrate any external content from your favorite tools in your designs. Fetch data from any API. All right. I like it. I'm convinced it's better than Webflow already. 10 out of 10. I mean, yeah. Responsiveness hasn't been addressed, which I'm sure it will crush, but it's a fear that a lot of people have. Is it going to be responsive? Deploy anywhere without paying Webstudio. Control your hosting pricing. It's amazing. Is this like a once product? We'll crush it as a once product. Transparency. Public roadmap. Hell yeah. Community. Very cool. Score features. All right. Paste from Webflow. I think like concentrating on Webflow is not your best move. I usually say go for the big boy, and I feel like this is way more powerful. Asset storage, 100,000 page views a month. Okay, so this is with hosting, and this is host yourself, or this is also you hosting. Free and open source. Wants to self-host? Sell it once. This is where you can make most of your money. Here you're doing. You can buy it and you pay for all their hosting and stuff, but I would just sell it once. Anyways, great job, Web Studio. I know it sounded like I wasn't vibing. It wasn't. It was a great product. I just, get mad when this kind of stupid copy, uh, somebody convinces you to do this. When it's a technical product, just speak technical. The people looking at this are not people who are fooled by these words.